Today I'm going to show you how to use our new integration with Adobe Sign. This new feature will allow you to sign important documents electronically from your client portal, saving you loads of time as well as offering a secure and legally binding method of getting signatures from your clients and partners. Firstly, to activate the integration, you need to go to your account settings, select the Integrations tab and turn on Adobe Sign. It will then ask you to log in. Fill in your details and press Login. Next, go to the file that requires a signature. Select Signatures at the bottom, then Sign with Adobe Sign. You'll then need to enter the recipient's email address and a message. You'll also have the option of adding a password and reminder if you wish. The recipient will then receive the document through email. Once they open and view the document, they can either enter their name using the keyboard, draw their signature using a mouse or touchscreen mobile device, or insert a scanned copy of their signature. Once they have done this, you will receive a notification on your portal saying that the document has been successfully signed. Now, when you return to the document, under Signatures you will see a confirmation that the recipient has provided a signature. I hope that this video has helped. If you'd like to find out more, head over to our website at clinked.com.